Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the theme in Microsoft Excel. Themes can enhance your visual experience by adjusting the overall appearance of Excel to match your preferences. Excel offers several themes, including white, black, dark gray, and colorful. Each theme adjusts the background and ribbon colors to suit different lighting environments and personal preferences. To change your Excel theme, start by clicking on the File tab. Next, go to Account in the sidebar. Here you can manage your Office account settings, including theme options. Under Office Theme, you can select from various options. I am currently using a theme that matches my desktop settings. For illustration, I'll select the Colorful theme, which adds vibrant colors to the ribbon and interface. In addition, you can customize Office background as well. Changing your Excel theme can personalize your workspace and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Excel, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.